Everybody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Today, I want to hit you guys with a brand new unboxing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, got some new heat in the mail, and I thought I would share it with you guys. And this is cold. And when I say cold, I mean cold. Like the heart of a hoe on Backpage cold. Oh. The fuck? Oh, not the wallet and the jewelry. Fuck.
Gotcha, bitch.
Really, nigga?
But before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that bell, that way you'll get post notifications every time I drop a new video, because I drop pretty consistent content. Shout out to the whole notification gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! So, it's been a wild week in sneakers. This particular sneaker dropped last weekend. I actually caught the L on this sneaker. I actually did a pickup vlog for you guys, but I ended up deleting the video. I showed up to Soul Play ATL, but I showed up a little late. They had very limited runs of this sneaker. They actually sold out before I was able to get my size. So I just walked away and didn't do anything and just took the L. Luckily, when I got home, my wife actually hit on this release. I was not expecting her to be able to grab these, but she was able to pick these up for retail. She really liked this sneaker. This was kind of a pass for me. It wasn't a must cop. I really just wanted to cop it so I could do a video and then I was gonna sell it. But luckily, she ended up being able to cop so I can still give you guys a video and she can enjoy the sneakers. But let's get into it, man. Let's unbox it. So, was anybody able to hit on that Nike sneakers app today? The UNC Off-White ones dropped. I had just went on lunch break and I was driving home and I missed them, yo. I wish I could have caught the W on that release. Resale is like $1,100 right now. I definitely could have used that money, man. Shout out to everybody who hit on that Off-White UNC Air Jordan 1 release. Let me know in the comment section down below if you were able to hit on that release. But let's open these up and see what we got here, man. Who gives a fuck about a box? Yo, your boy been hitting hard on the Air Jordan 1s lately, man. And you guys know what these are. These are the Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home. These is for the wife. So let's open it up and check them out. Shout out to the receipt police, man. You know how we do here, nothing but official sneakers. We don't play with that unauthorized bullshit. We not playing them kind of games. We keeping it retail, we keeping it receipt, or it's not getting on the Shoemanati Show. So let's open these up. Let's see what these Homage to Home Air Jordan 1s look like in person. And bow. Let me do it the Mike Rich way. Clank, clank. Here we go, man. And here these guys go. In hand, not bad. Leather quality is actually pretty premium on this. I was not expecting the leather quality to be this good. He's being dubbed the Homage to Home or the Scarface, whatever you want to call them. Like I said, I'm not a real big fan of this sneaker. I do not like that split down the middle. I think they could have did it on the tongue, but not on the toe box. It just does not work for me. But a lot of people love this sneaker. They was eating this up. Like, these sold out. And of course, they had the numbered pair and then the non-numbered pair. The numbered pair are really going for bread on the resale market. These are around like $220, $230 right now on resale. The non-numbered pairs on StockX. So I say just hold these if you're thinking about reselling them. These will gain some value with time, but not right away. But this is the Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home. Leather quality was amazing. These were not that limited. These were pretty accessible. If you put the footwork in, you really should have got these sneakers. I kind of half-assed it. I ain't put no real footwork in, and that's why I caught that L. Of course, on your lateral medial side, you got that Chicago, and then on your lateral side, you have your bread, and it looks good. Not a bad shoe at all. You have a black insole with Nike Air in white. I mean, just your typical Air Jordan 1, except it's just a split down the middle of the bread one and the Chicago one. Like I said, I think it looks good. It's not bad. It's not really my style. I'm glad I passed on this sneaker, but overall, that leather quality is amazing, though, especially around that ankle. That shit is butter. This kind of give me those band ones from 2011 vibes. Like, these are definitely dope. White midsole, red outsole, and you got your split on your upper. Overall, were you able to cop these? Were you able to pick these up last Saturday? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these. You think these will get any resale with time, or you think these are permanent bricks? I always appreciate you guys taking time of the day to rock with me and rock with the channel. Just been trying to just continue to drop consistent content and just show you guys that I love this YouTube thing. The views been kind of slow, but I'm working, man. I'm working to get better, and I hope that you guys just see the content is getting better and continue to support me. I appreciate everyone who take time out of the day to just click on the video. Even if you only watch a few minutes of it, I appreciate everything. But this was the Air Jordan 1 homage to home. Like I said, let me know down below in the comment section, were you able to pick these up? What you think about these? You like them? You hate them? Did you try to cop these? Did you pass? Did you get that L? Like, what happened with these? Did you just cop the resale? Let me know. I will be giving you guys a detailed review on this sneaker sometime in the future. But this was just the unboxing. I love to do unboxings. That's some of my bread and butter on this channel. I just like to talk shit, chop it up with you guys, try to give you some little funny skits and just have fun. More entertaining content is coming in the future. Hit that thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I drop links in the description box down below. Shout out to the whole Illumination. I appreciate you guys taking time of your day. I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it.
Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch.